Hey FrameWorks friends! Today we're talking about these intricate white aluminum plants and these plexiglass monstera leaves. These are for two separate projects, but they have something in common: hardware. You may question why we're bringing hardware into this, but it's just to show how much we care. We know installing special projects can be complicated, which is why we want to try our best to help. We order the separate hardware parts, and over the next couple days, we organize and put together the many bits and pieces of the hardware to make it as easy as possible on our clients. These specific pieces of hardware are for hanging art from a ceiling. So, to ensure that the art is installed correctly, we also send over an instructional video tutorial to the client. We know how important art is to you, because it's important to us too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. As always, be limitless. Love, FrameWorks.